Thank you. Next speaker, Sri Abdul Samad Samadani ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to take part in this very important discussion. Sir, I think we have to approach the very concept of university with a comprehensive outlook. And sir, as this very concept of knowledge is universal, we have to approach the concept of university also with a universal mind and a universal attitude. Sir, nowadays this increasing tendency of reducing and limiting knowledge to the corridors of subjects, that is growing as an unhealthy tendency. Even the Yashpal Committee report, I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister and this august House to the recommendation and the suggestions made by the Yashpal Committee in this regard. Sir, the university limiting to a singular subject, for example, to medicine, to engineering, to the teacher's education, to sports, that will not be fruitful for realizing the very aims and objectives of a university. It may be bringing administrative convenience, but sir, it will not help the academic accommodation of different subjects, thereby opening the horizons of knowledge into various vistas of wisdom. Sir, science, humanities, philosophy, aesthetics all have to be made available under the same umbrella. Various subjects, various disciplines in a singular center. Sir, research experience in science may be leading to an area belonging to the realm of philosophy. Likewise, a philosophical quest may be ending in an arena of metaphysics or cosmology. Sir, variety of subjects will only help to the richness of a university. The world-famous linguist scientist Noam Chomsky was working in Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Harvard University was founded by a priest named John Howard, and it was founded for theological studies. I mean, sir, flourishing in its own subject, its own main subjects. These universities were spreading its wings to the horizons of the plurality and variety of various disciplines. Nowadays, sir, we have to look into our surroundings when we think of a new university. Humankind is going through unprecedented changes and revolutions. All our stories are crumbling. Sir, we should have a clear-cut outlook, clear-cut decision resolution, what we should provide in a university, what kind of skills we should inculcate in the coming generations, not to merely get a job, but to conquer life, to stand face to face to life. Sir, I am reminded of a couplet of our famous poet, Akbar Allahabadi. हम क्या कहे अहबाब क्या कारे नुमायां कर गए, हम क्या कहे अहबाब क्या कारे नुमायां कर गए, बीए हुए नौकर हुए पेंशन मिली फिर मर गए. Sir, this is what is happening nowadays. Just for a job, बीए हुए नौकर हुए पेंशन मिली फिर मर गए. पेंशन भी आजकल खत्म हो गया है. So sir, what I mean, the university should have a higher aims of understanding life, situations all around. Sir, studying textbooks only will not be enough for our students. The student will have to make his own self go beyond the text to the context of life. Sir, our surroundings are flooded by not only informations, but misinformations, prejudices, and a lot of irrelevancies. So a healthy campus has to address this kind of problems. A healthy campus can be, sir, made only by debates, dissent, and by difference of opinion and a culture of pluralism. Knowledge and culture are both are composite. Knowledge is composite, and sir, our culture is also, every culture is essentially and basically composite. Sir, various American universities of artificial intelligence and robotics are nowadays including ethics and philosophy in their curriculum and in their research projects. Sir, so we have to prepare the learner to foster ethical, rational, compassionate, caring, and healthy individuals. Sir, what is happening nowadays all over the world? Exploitation, injustice, social inequalities, and even aggression, killings of innocent children, mothers in various parts of the world. Wherever it is happening, whoever responsible for this catastrophe, sir, their problem is not lack of education. Their problem is not that they don't have any degree or any academic qualifications. Their problem is their lack of humanity. So,
Yes.
sir, we have to rise. Sir,
Samdani
2
ji,
minutes.
please.
Yes, sir, 2 minutes. Sir, so therefore we will have to rise above caste, class, creed, gender, religion, language for realizing a real campus, a real university. So, sir, during the formation of a university, we will have to think of above the commercial and economic level, in the human level. Absence of humanity in the society should lead to a kind of idealism, multiculturalism, and pluralism. I have to request the Honorable Minister to take into mind the need of using emotional intelligence and utilizing the ethos and norms of emotional education and a kind of holistic education, taking into consideration all aspects of the learner, including mind, heart, and soul. I rise to support this bill. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
No concluding couplets, nothing. Thank you, Samdani ji. Next.